Hi there, Paulo here. The fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use, especially you, is BUILDERALL CHEETAH. And on this video, I'll show you how to create a website on it using panels. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. This is the BUILDERALL back office. BUILDERALL is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that anybody can use even without learning any programming and technical skills. It can be used for making sales funnels, used for email marketing, e-commerce, video tags, which is a lead generating tool, even for SEO reporting. This helps your website analytics, okay? This is the tool you need so you can check the ranking of your website on Google. And yes, websites made on BUILDERALL, especially on BUILDERALL CHEETAH, do rank on Google. Chatbots, you can also make online courses, and many more. Even CRM, webinars, and if you have a virtual assistant, yes, you can give them limited access depending on your preference. Let's jump into BUILDERALL CHEETAH real quick. Just click on this and click on enter. Now for this one, this will show us all the websites we've made on BUILDERALL CHEETAH. So far I have one which I use for demo. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Demo 2 and demo 2. Click on save. To edit the website or demo 2, let's jump into the editor. Click on edit site, and here this will show us all the pages for that specific website, which is demo 2. So far we have the home page. Let's go ahead and click on edit page. We'll go inside the editor so we can start making a website using the panels. So this is a blank page. What we want to do is show the grid lines. Okay, now that we have the grid line, click on the arrow, click on panel, add, and then click on panel. Now for the website, the content, you have the option to choose a blank panel or choose a template. Now what I want to do first is put a header, and from here all you have to do is choose the template or design of the header that you want. So what I want to go is let's go for this one. Okay, so we have login and the menu right here. If you want to change it, just right click on this, click on the trash can, confirm, and it's gone. It's done. It's that quick. So again, panel, go to header. So if I want to choose a header, let's say this one, panel created, and it's there. You can make adjustments on this. Just right click on it. You can add. You have the option for add. Again, right click on it. You have the settings. Click on size. If you want to adjust the height of the header, so it's that easy. There are also options for minimum size, background, which is for the color if you want to change it. So let's say I want to change this to a different one. Let's say red. Okay. So if you want to change it, it's there. If you want to add an image, it's here. It will be this one. Okay. So it's all there. If you want to add the border to it, round border, this is for the corners, and advanced. If you want to add an anchor on it, even save an element, so it's all here. Click on that. Now, what we want to do is add another panel. Click on the arrow again, click on panel. Let's go to first fold. So from here, all you have to do is again choose the design that you prefer. Okay, so checking a design. Let's see this one. Marketing, digital business. See, you were able to add a content without inputting any programming stuff. Okay? No programming needed. You're able to input some text and an image. Let's add another panel. So we're done with first fold. Let's check the blocks. I want one with a video on it. So let's go for this one. Panel created. Let's go ahead and check on it. And it's there. So there's a video. Everything can be moved. Customize even the images. Want to change the image, just right click on it. Go to image. Alright, general settings, image. Okay. Even the video, you can change it. The text, just double click on it. Testing the text. Click on save. Done. For the text, of course, it can be customized also. Let's add another panel. So blocks, we got, let's see what we can find here. Features. For this one, panel created, and it's there. Let's add another panel. Pricing table. I want to add a pricing table to this, so just check the templates for it. Let's say this one, panel created. It's there. Let's add more. We have a pricing table. Contacts or call to action. This one, and it's there, and let's add one more. Contacts. Let's say this one. Or let's say I want to change it. Again, just click on trash. It's fine. Want to add a contact form first. or go back to panel real quick. Okay, let's go ahead with contacts again. Add this. Okay. Click on that. I want to add another panel, which is not the contacts, but instead the team. For the team, this one. And lastly, what I want to add is a footer, which is this one. So let's check the website. Footer, I want to adjust it size because I find it too big. There. Make some adjustments real quick. There's a sub menu. Okay. If you want to change a panel's place from one panel to another, all you have to do is, for example, this one, meet our team. There's an arrow here. I'm gonna go up. So from the bottom, it changes places with the panel next to it. Okay. So I want this to go up again. See? So it's as easy as that. So it was the meet our team panel was at the bottom. Now it's on the third panel from top of the content, excluding the footer. So I want to bring this down again. Just click on down and down again, and there. Now let's check the preview on how this would look like on a live website. Just click on preview. And this is how it's going to look like on a live website. You have the menu up here, or the header. First panel. The second panel. The third panel. Fourth panel, fifth panel, sixth panel, and the last panel, which is the footer. And yes, you can add as many panels as you want. Now, the challenge on making websites is, this is for how it's going to look like on the live website, on a computer, on a desktop view. How about the mobile or the phone view? Website builders, for the phone view, you need to make adjustments. But with Builderall Cheetah, just click on the phone view here. Click on it. It's already done. Let's double check. So we have the header here. We have the first panel. Second panel, third panel. Oh, this is part of the second panel still. Third panel, pricing panel. I lost count, sorry, but you do get my point here. Call to action. Meet our team. See? It's already fixed. You don't need to make any adjustments anymore unless you prefer to do so, which of course you can do manually. And the footer, it's here. Okay? So that's how fast and responsive Builderall Cheetah is. And again, from here, you can, if you want to do some editing on how it would look on the mobile view or on the phone view, yes, you can definitely do so. All you have to do now is do some editing on the content, and that's it. You don't need to spend a lot of time editing or making adjustments on how it would look like on the mobile or on the phone view. That's how fast and responsive Builderall Cheetah is. That's why it is actually real time. All right. So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. If you want to learn more, just subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, the video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.